Feeling like your English gets stuck in your throat the second you open your mouth? Feeling like your English gets stuck in your throat the second you open your mouth?
Yeah, we've all been there. Like your brain says go, but your mouth goes on vacation.
Exactly. Hey everyone, I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben.
Welcome to the Better Pattern, where we think better, speak better, and live better. Today we're tackling confidence while speaking English. Ben, why do so many smart people freeze up even when they know the words?
Good one. It's mostly fear of mistakes, sounding dumb, or people judging. But here's the mindset flip. Mistakes aren't enemies, they're proof you're actually trying. Think about kids learning to walk. They fall 100 times and just giggle. We adults, we hide. Silly, right?
Totally. So don't wait to be perfect. Start small. Like, what's one tiny daily step?
Speak out loud every day, even to your mirror or your coffee. 5 minutes. Narrate your morning. Okay, I'm making tea. This cup is hot. Sounds goofy, but it builds the muscle without pressure.
Love that. And mindset-wise, reframe mistakes as wins. Like, hey, I said something wrong. Cool, I learned.
Exactly. The only real fail is staying silent forever. Remember that time I tried ordering pizza in broken Spanish? Guy laughed, I laughed, we got the pizza. Win-win.
Classic. Okay, let's add body language, because how you stand or look can trick your brain into feeling confident even if you're nervous.
Yep. First, posture. Stand tall, shoulders back, chest open, like you're proud of your invisible cape. Slouching screams, I'm hiding. Straight posture, instant power boost. Science says it even pumps up testosterone a bit. Boom, feel more boss.
Invisible cape? I like it. What about eye contact? That's scary for a lot of us.
It is, but don't stare like a robot. Soft eye contact. Hold for 4 to 5 seconds, then natural break. Shows you're engaged and confident. Avoid looking down or away. That can read as shy or uninterested.
So, fake it till you make it?
Pretty much. Your body tells your brain, we got this. Let's do quick role plays to show it in action.
Yes. Imagine we're at a cafe. You start. I'm the waiter.
Hey, good morning. Can I get a latte, please? And do you have any muffins today?
Sure. We have blueberry or chocolate chip.
Blueberry sounds perfect. Thanks. Pause. See? Simple, eye contact implied. Look at them. Posture straight, no rush.
Nice. Now, one where someone messes up. Show the confident recovery.
All right. Excuse me, can I have the thing with the fries? Aha, sorry. Can I get the French fries, please?
Of course, no worries.
Thanks. Smile. See? Own the slip-up with a quick laugh, fix it, move on. No big deal. Confidence isn't zero mistakes, it's handling them like a pro.
That's gold. One more. Talking to a stranger for directions.
Easy. Stand tall, make eye contact, smile. Hey, excuse me, I'm a bit lost. Do you know how to get to the main market?
Straight ahead, turn left at the lights.
Awesome. Thank you. Have a great day. Pause. Boom. Short, polite, confident body language sells it.
So, recap, mindset, embrace mistakes, practice small daily. Body, tall posture, soft eye contact, open stance. And laugh at yourself a little. It makes everything lighter.
Yep. Confidence grows like a plant. Water it daily with tiny actions, and suddenly it's blooming.
I love that. If you're stuck in that same old shy pattern,
Let's break it.
start small today. Say one sentence out loud with good posture.
Think better, speak better, live better.
Subscribe if this hit home. Next week, more tips.
Drop a comment. What's one small thing you'll try this week? We read them.
See you soon. You've got this.